We have what we call contractors in cleaning, and their employees, numerous youth and personnel, name them. We have engineers, have technical part of it. We have expertise in cleaning. It's not like a brand, but you have to have that expertise in cleaning. So these contractors have done a tremendous job. So for that, we are very sure that employment is there.
Because what we value mostly here is the value for your money, that you can also have value for your investment, so that you are able also to make that margin that you are able to be happy with after the service or after your business. Most especially we do partner with South Sudan, because they always have a lot of inquiries and sales, Rwanda, Burundi and Congo.